What's going on, y'all? In this video, I'm going to break down my entire plan for this YouTube channel moving forward. And if you don't know who I am or you're new to the channel, my name is Jeffrey Rodriguez. I'm the founder of JRod Forex, full-time day trader and entrepreneur. Unlike most channels, I have nothing at all to sell you. I make these videos simply just to share my experience in hopes that it will shorten the learning curve for you and you can become a profitable trader sooner to live the life you want. And for this year, I'm really excited to share my content with you guys. In 2023, I have big plans for my YouTube channel. I'll be creating a variety of different types of videos that cover all kinds of different topics like trading how-to videos, trading analysis videos, podcasts, and vlogs. So my goal is to provide y'all with the tools needed really to succeed in trading. If it's your first time here, everything I've learned from a trading perspective has been from ICT, otherwise known as Inner Circle Trader or Michael Huddleston. I definitely plan for this channel to be a supplemental resource to ICT's already existing channel. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. And in addition to trading content, I also plan to share more of my daily life with you guys. So I did move to Miami about a year and almost a half ago, and I plan to take you guys on this journey with me. So I plan on building a thriving community of traders, entrepreneurs, and people ultimately who are just willing to learn, grow, and want to just connect with each other. So I'll be sharing tips, tricks, insights, everything really I've gathered from my own experience over the past 6 or 7 years, as well as featuring like different guests in different fields and stuff like that to provide more of like a different perspective in terms of different markets and stuff like that. So we'll also be mixing things up with some fun, like creative style videos that are like more day-to-day life, traveling, inside look at what it looks like being a full-time day trader and business owner. It's definitely not as glamorous as some make it out to be. So if you guys are interested in trading, lifestyle content here in Miami, or really just want to hang out and be a part of the journey, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the new content. And I really can't wait to share this with you guys and make it the best year yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.